company, the name is LabVolt Radar. So now it's managed by a biggest company based in Canada named Festo. They are able to provide a lot of CBT, particularly in radar and in radio, because we have also the LabVolt radio available. The French Navy inside this school is also equipped with this equipment in order to perform the same courses or the same training as us. We are mainly in English, they are mainly in French, but the idea is the same, to make sure that trainees can understand what is a signal, what is a radar, what are the effect of different parameters, in order after to be able, as I told you, in ESM, to understand what are the interceptions which are done and what are the job of the radar. So we can do a lot of things. So today... Non, je suis en stand-by.
Transmitting. Non.
Je suis en stand-by. So we have different capabilities. Today we have a traditional radar.
Okay.
Why? Because this afternoon the team will come here in order to verify some things given in the theoretical part the previous weeks.
Yeah.
So we will analyze a little bit the parameters, the settings of the radar, and so on and so on. So the radar is a traditional radar where you have an antenna turning, and here this table is in fact the place where we put some targets. That are the targets you can see in the north, detected by the radar. Of course, we have a lot of targets. Why? To show to the people regarding the shape. For instance, we will put this one this afternoon. This one is less detectable than this one. So we will try to illustrate the stills shape. When you work on the shape of your aircraft or your ship, you have sometimes less radar cross-section, so less detection available. We are not enough rich. We are not enough rich to buy targets with RAM. You know, this equipment which absorb. But this one is a good RAM. So we put this one, and the people can say that the shape and the materials are
similar,
very bad to reflect the signal. So how to use some things which is not really planned. So I told you traditional radar. We have another antenna here. To be simple, to simulate electronic sweep and beam. Instead, traditional turning radar. We have also the capability to simulate a fire control radar. So here the radar which come to locked on the target to perform the target designation. It's also possible through this antenna to simulate a jammer.
Okay.
So here how to jam a radar
signal.
And by noise. And this one is not a false airs. It's not for me. In fact, is something which is used
Simulate a decoy.
to simulate a little bit decoy. So you can see that suddenly it depends on the orientation. But it is for that. Alors, here we detect the two echoes in the north. Ça c'est quand ça va péter.
C'est handmade. Sorry? It's handmade. Micro.
s'arrête là parce que chaque fois il se casse la gueule et chaque fois on l'abîme.
Ils font pas rien. Ils font pas.
Ouais, mais tout est.
Okay.
So, if I connect with the proposal of 2 weeks, we are limited in time. If we are limited in time, we are limited in the subject. 1 week will be dedicated to the radar, practical and theoretical courses in the same time during the first week, in order to give at least a basic knowledge of radar technology to the guys. And the second week will be ES with the NUT, so the training, the ESM training tool, in order to give the basic, but it will be the basis, the 2 weeks. It was mentioned in our report number 1, after 2 weeks, we have identified a lack of knowledge in radar technology. And if you don't know again and again what you are expecting to intercept, you miss your interception. So is the reason why we have insisted on this theme, on the technology more than philosophy of EW, in order to be really practice spirit, in order to give a chance to the guys to operate as EW. The problem we can face also, we are not able until today to train the people with the aircraft equipment.
Okay.
That we don't know. We have our tools. The tools are the tools, the results are the same. You can buy EW in UK, in Spain, in France, in Germany. The interface is not the same, but the principles are the same and the results are the same.
And the tools available
All the same.
are the same.
Now we are ready to come inside the aircraft to perform on job training.
Yes,
Okay.
just in another way, this equipment also is used to train people and military French Navy. We use that to train French Navy for radar technician. Okay? Because you can also perform maintenance tasks with that. Okay, you can have a test, you can take tests in the chain of reception chain, transmitting chain, and so you have special circuit. You can put highlight the effect of the special circuit on the radar, also according to the jamming. Okay, so all the things concerning radar technique can be taught also with these tools.
And it's still used by the French Navy.
Yeah, it is, and we train the French Navy.
The French Navy is able to use its own tool, but due to the amount of trainees they have, for the highest level of courses, CPO or officers, the French Navy gives the lead to NAFCO, and we have regularly people. For us, it's a little bit more comfortable. It is in French language.
And the next session will start by the end of this month.
Okay.
Okay.
I just have a communication with IDAF last night, and I tried to persuade them to take the 4 weeks course, of course. Considering the syllabus for 2 weeks is very, very, how do you say, skinny, only the basic, the outside.
Sure, because 2 weeks, so if you remove half a day for the welcoming administrative and so on, the last day for the ceremony, so that is say you reduce. If you have to perform COVID test during those 2 weeks also, as for the one they are there, so we will lose at least one half day still, and then the training time
will be reduced also.
Okay, so you squeeze.
Yeah.
But the problem is, one thing we are surely not expected happen in Jakarta, in Indonesia right now, is they are locking down again. So all the government's office, all the military office are closed totally right now for 2 weeks, and then it can be repeated again for 2 weeks, for another 2 weeks. That's the problem. So Idaf said to me last night that they sure want to take the 4 weeks course, but they need to rearrange the program, rearrange the budget. And since they have locking down in Indonesia right now, they don't have enough time to do that.
Yeah,
So the probability is they will take the 2 weeks course for this year,
yeah.
but for the next year they will take 4 weeks
Because
of the COVID situation.
regarding our discussion and your argument that you gave us last week. So what we are afraid with, we are afraid that at the end of these 2 weeks, they will not be satisfied.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
and they'll say we learned nothing.
Yeah, I know.
And then what can we do?
Yeah.
You understand our
Yeah.
point of view?
Yes,
also?
I understand. And I said that also to the IDAF, and then IDAF asked me if you can manage to combine the 2 weeks and the 4 weeks program, especially with 0.54 on the
5, 6, 7.
What is it?
EW attack, EW support,
Yes.
EW.
Can you I don't know how to say that. Can you squeeze them so that they also have the practical side of the course, not only the outer skin of the course, you know?
We were a little bit obliged to do that
Yes.
during this session due to reduction of the course
Yes.
the last week.
Yeah.
One afternoon lost, unfortunately for
Yes.
you, the police
What is
station.
this? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
But one afternoon plus 1 day plus.
Yeah.
So I tried to compress EW Naval Ops with EAEP.
EAP.
So of course,
EAEP.
electronic attack and electronic protection
Okay.
were not developed
Yeah, because this was
totally,
Yeah.
but at least I introduced jamming, decoying, intrusion,
Yeah.
so that is attack,
Yeah.
and the protection, the settings of the radars and so on and so on.
Yeah.
So we can, but when we reduce,
Yeah.
you cover very quickly the high, the subject, but
Yeah.
not in a deep,
Yeah.
because the time is the time. And,
Yes. We
it
understand.
depends also of the classroom. The problem is you can have a classroom of very, 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 very high level
Yeah.
and a classroom in a medium level, and the time for a subject is not the same. It's
No,
always
yeah.
a difficulty.
Yeah.
We said we will pass EA in 3 hours.
Yeah.
Why? Because in fact we have a number of page, and we have a mean value of page per hour.
Yeah, we understand.
Sometimes we run a little bit faster.
Yeah.
That is very good for us because if we save time, we pass more time in the practice.
Yeah.
But sometimes, unfortunately, we have to stay more time on the theoretical point of view. And finally, at the end of the course,
We have to run.
the wall is coming.
And one other thing is to take into consideration. So this course is RISM operator.
Yeah.
So what is to say, the objective is to train the people, the objective of such a course, okay, is for the people to use ESM system.
Yeah.
Okay, the EA and EP and so on.
Yeah.
And just, we explain what it is, it exists, but we do not develop this subject because it's not the purpose of the course, you see. We focus on ESM.
Yes.
Mm.
This is why.
Yeah.
If you
Yeah.
want to develop more electronic attack and so, we have the tools, we have simulator, we have everything, we have the contents, but this is not the same subject. So, okay, so
We are trapped a little bit to go on the way of Mr. Ferro. We are trapped a little bit between the title of the course
And the syllabus.
and the syllabus, which was a little bit provided by IDAF. Effectively, it's a little bit.
not contradictory.
A
But
little bit.
the objective is not the same.
Yeah.
You have to fix objective and with the content and perimeters, and according to the objective, you have to deal more with this subject or this subject.
Don't be worried also.
We can modify everything, we can adapt everything, but the objective must be clear, and then we will define the content.
Don't be
Yeah.
worried. This is the way of any headquarters. They need all with
Minimum
the
time.
smaller amount of time and the money.
Yeah.
This is Christmas.
yeah.
Christmas
Christmas
asking.
time. Yeah. But
We have the attitude. We have the attitude, and by ourselves, we reorient a little bit the programs in accordance with the goals to be achieved.
Yes, and one other parameter, so the course and the objective.
Yeah.
The other parameter to take into consideration is the population. If you have to train TACO, or if you have to train operator, or if you have to train pilots,
Yeah.
then the course is not the same because the need is not the same for each of them.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So you have a mix of everybody. So you try to satisfy everybody also.
Yeah.
One thing that you must understand that this modification of the syllabus between the 2 weeks and the 4 weeks is for us is part of our marketing strategy. You know, because the IDAF they think that since we have COVID, so this year training is like a trial. You know, they need the feedback from the trainees.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure.
It's
They
normal.
don't, they don't
This
want
is
the
normal.
Sure,
They
sure.
don't want the
This is the
trainees.
key point. This
Yeah.
is the key point.
They don't want the trainees to say that, oh, it's just introduction. Oh, it's just the skinny of the
Yeah.
knowledge.
Yeah, sure.
They don't want to.
This is the key point.
Yeah,
If they are happy and satisfied,
they will continue on.
and they can also give advice to reorient a little bit the course.
Exactly.
This part was interesting, but finally for our job is not really something important.
Yeah.
This one was more important, and we need more.
We need more to complete the course.
Sure.
That's
Sure.
what,
They
that's
are
what-
ready to adapt to themselves.
Yeah.
That is your feedback
Yeah.
is welcome
yeah.
to make our reorientation
Yeah.
available in the spirit of your thinking.
Yeah.
That is definitive.
So it won't be a problem. You can combine the training, the syllabus training for 2 weeks and 4 weeks, and compress it in 2 weeks.
Yeah,
No,
but after the problem is this, according
no.
to what we discussed just before.
Yeah.
The problem is if you spend 1 hour on one subject
Yeah.
just to give generality,
Yeah.
so
We overfly.
the day after it's forgotten.
We
You understand?
overfly.
Yeah.
So we can do everything,
Yeah.
but at the end, what is the result?
The
Yeah.
problem is if you to speak about EP and electronic attack, even you compress a maximum, you need half a day
Yeah.
for each subject.
Yeah.
So 1 day.
Yeah.
So we have mentioned the welcome, the administrative half day, and the last day award ceremony departure. So on the 10 days, you have 8 days remaining, 7 half days. If you add topics, even they are very, very, very short,
Yeah.
but you reduce the practice,
Yeah, I understand that.
and finally the benefit
Nothing.
will, for our point of view, will be low.
Yes, if it is mandatory, so we can do.
We can do.
We can add
can
in the
do.
syllabus just introduction EAP. Okay, we can modify in this way if it is.
Yes.
But don't think that it will be very efficient in terms of knowledge transmitted.
Yeah, you understand. You understand. You just try to accommodate the IDAF.
Yeah, I understand because yes, according to the syllabus
Because
what was
because
given
the
to you.
COVID and everything,
Yeah.
they finally they said, okay,
Okay.
this year training consider as a trial. We just want to hear what the trainees feedback.
Okay,
Sure.
we'll modify.
Sure, we will adjust to customer requirement.
Yeah.
But it's also our job to tell you, take care.
To
The
warn you
benefit,
about,
the benefit
Yeah.
will be very low
Yeah.
if you are. You understand that we are not only in a commercial point of view.
Yeah, I understand.
Mr. Ferro and myself,
Okay.
we are in a pedagogical analysis.
efficiency.
Of course, we can say yes, come on, we do.
Yeah.
Give the check. And I speak 1 hour electronic attack, 1 hour EP, 1 hour. But what is the benefit for you? Nothing.
For the
Yeah.
trainees.
We understand that the benefit will be reduced.
Yes,
of
Sure,
course.
the benefit will be.
Okay. Anyway, we will add.
I think the key point you have mentioned we are ISO certified.
Yeah.
So at the end of all the course,
Yeah.
we provide. Ah non, fallait pas toucher quoi.
Pardon.
Oh putain, on avait réglé.
Ah, désolé.
Ah
Okay.
Ouais, c'est bon. Parce qu'on a eu du mal à le régler, parce qu'on va faire... Ouais, c'est bon. In fact, it is ready for the trainees.
Yeah.
when two echo are very close,
Yeah.
you have only
One,
one echo.
Oh.
Yeah.
target, when
Two
two
target.
Two
target
targets.
close,
Why? Because the pulse width is not enough.
it's like, according to the
Yeah.
characteristic of the radar.
Yeah.
So we will manipulate the pulse width parameter in order to show and to illustrate to the guys.
Yeah.
Long pulse width, only one echo. Small pulse width,
Two echoes.
two
Maybe
echoes.
Yeah.
So discrimination and verification of formulas I have learned since 3 weeks.
Elle est partie aujourd'hui?
Hein?
La formule qui était là.
Ah ben je sais pas qui me l'a arraché encore. Ah ouais, merde. Ah putain, c'est pas vrai ça. J'ai pas fait gaffe ce matin. Bah, écoute, putain, j'en avais mis 2.
Ah oui, c'est pour ça que justement j'allais lui dire, voilà, vous voyez. Yeah. Enfin, bon, ça.
Non, mais ça me fait chier parce que qui c'est qui prend ça?
And also with stable, we can plan, we can program the pattern,
Yeah.
and this can move.
Around, yeah.
After we will move.
Yeah. You have different
Here,
ways
if you
to
move,
use.
you put this one.
Yeah, okay.
Parce que tout à l'heure il y avait deux échos là.
Ouais, mais c'est pas grave, il fera à l'envers, c'est pas grave. C'est pas grave. C'est pas grave. So, this is the first step. So, attention, il faut que tu attendes un peu le balayage aussi. Des fois, ça a du mal à. Voilà, mais là, bon, c'est pas grave, il réglera, je lui dirai. Je lui dirai. And we have, for instance, you have some echoes here. It's disturbance.
Yeah.
In fact, this is electrical cables which are here, which reflect. So we don't protect in order to show to the people. In the real life, it's like that also. Sometimes you have a very good echo after how to set the radar to minimize this default and so on and so on.
Yeah.
So here it's a step which is mandatory for all EW course. All.
Okay.
Technology to know what are the radar's behavior, radar settings, radar functions, in order to be, like I said to you guys, because we spoke a lot about database.
Yeah.
Even you have no database, you have some behavior, technical behavior, which must warn you that it is not a commercial radar.
Yeah.
Is the reason why we have insisted on modulation, compression of impulsion, and so on. All settings which are done only by military. And as I told the class leader, Mr. Octaviana,
Yeah.
your operator must be at least aware. He cannot give the name of the radar
Okay.
and the nationality flag,
Yeah.
but he can warn the pilot or the TAO, the TECO. We have something military in this bearing.
Yeah.
They should be able
Okay.
to recognize
Yeah.
contact of interest.